Hello everyone, I'm Ravikumar Nethi, Senior Staff Engineer with Qualcomm. In this video, I'm going to show you an overview of image enhancement demo. We'll go through the model overview, how to select the model, convert the model with Qualcomm Neural Processing SDK for AI, and integrate the model into an Android application. Model used for this demo is based on the paper Enlighten GAN Deep Light Enhancement without paid supervision. Link to the published paper is given on screen. Model architecture diagram from the paper is also shown on the screen. This model is converted and optimized with Qualcomm Neural Processing SDK for AI. Steps to convert the TensorFlow model to DLC are given in detail on the screen. First, we need to obtain the pre-trained model from open source and convert it to DLC using the command shown on the screen. If user wants to change a model, they can very well do so. However, it is recommended to select the model with the best peak signal to noise ratio. Converted DLC model is then packaged into an Android application. The sample app enhances the image. There is no change in image resolution while the model enhances the image. Model can take variable resolution input and scale output accordingly. Pipeline used for this flow is also shown on the screen. Now it's time to see the demo in action. I'm playing the demo video. User need to select the image first and then select the hardware accelerator for running the model. The performance indicator shown on screen can vary based on the build in the end device and the version of Snapdragon hardware used to execute the demo application. For more details, please do visit Qualcomm Developer Network. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.